The other type of number that you might see is a 4-digit divided by a 2-digit. So the same thing, I'm going to set up my problem with my dividend, 3,164 going into the house, and my divisor, 45, going next to the house. Then I'm going to write down my steps. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out what I'm dividing by, because I don't want to divide by the entire number, 3,164. So let's break it down. Okay, can 45 go into 3? Nope. Can 45 go into 31? No. Can 45 go into 316? Yes, it can. So I'm just writing that down next to my division or divide step so I know what I am dividing. Okay. My M is where I do my T-chart. So I'm trying to figure out how many groups of 45 can go into 316. So starting with 1. So 1 times 45 is 45. 2 times 45, 10. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 3 times 45, that's 15. 12, 13. Sorry, that's a 1. 4 times 45, that's 20. 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 18. 5 times 45. And if you can't do this in this head, make sure that your students are writing it out to the side. We make a lot of small mistakes when we do it in our head as well. 5 times 4 is 20, 22. Okay. 45 times 6 is 30, 24, 26, 27, 28. We're getting close. And yes, sometimes this is a long process and it does take a while to do all this mental math, but it's part of the process. 28, 29, 30, 31. Perfect. Okay, so we know that 7 groups of 45 can go into 316. So that would have been 7 times 45 equals 315. So we're going to subtract it here. Sorry, it's blurry. All right, 316 minus 315, which is 1. So I subtracted. I checked. 1 is smaller than 45. B, I'm going to bring down my next number, which is 4. And now, how many times can 45 go into 14? None. So that's going to be a 0. All right, so my quotient is 70 with a remainder of 14. To check that, I would just do 45 times 70 plus 14, and it should get 3,164.